Boom, baby. Yes. So here we are, ladies, with another review. Thank you so much for tuning in. Also, if you are looking to beat the heat, sis, get the Wrappin. So here we are. First and foremost, big thank you to CurlsCurls for sending out this unit. And baby, I am excited because these units, they always come through with the Naturalista, baby. So without further ado, let's get these girls popping, boo. Bars. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, hey, so. Oh, 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 oh. All I wanna know is even though you're taking no attention, all I wanna show is my affection. Lose myself inside her memory. She ain't even checking me. Oh, sugar, chocolate, something. Just the way the certain something. Flavor with a cup of love. Baby, that's like you know. So, you know, that middle part, it was cute or whatever. You know, it was doing a little something, but it wasn't doing what I needed it to give, okay? So I switched it up. Yes. I'm just so digging this style because this is my hair, okay? This is so me. I'm telling you right now, this is so me and such a style I would definitely wear. Beautiful cap construction on this unit. 3C texture is what I'm guessing this is. A few of you reached out. You wanted some shorties for this BTU hot weather that we are in. I got y'all. I'm hot. I'm sweating. I don't feel like I'm drowning in hair. So this is definitely a great unit for the summer. And baby, check out the port. Check out the port in my edges, okay? Just minimal swoop to swoop-ins. No leave out. I have nothing out. Even this is part of the wig, so really no issues. The ear taps fell right into place. I did not bleach the knots on this unit. They actually came really small. You really do not have to do anything to this unit. Now, you know your girl, I'm a little extra, and no cutting needed, boo. They shaped it for you. Texture is on point, cap construction, lace flat. I really had no issues. However, but she does shed quite a bit. I did notice it with this part especially. You know, I had to keep combing it, and you know, hair which just kept coming out. So you know, it's not too big of a deal for me because I'm not gonna comb a curly unit. However, if you're gonna wash it, refresh it, plan accordingly, take it away, slay accordingly. I'm digging her. I'm loving her. This is just, this style is so me. This is my hair. It's my hair, boo. So yeah, as you were. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit by CurlsCurls, definitely hit up the link in the description box down below. But thank you to them once again for sending out the unit, but most importantly, big thank you to you for tuning in to this review, baby. In my dress, with my pockets. So take care of yourself, ladies. Smash that subscribe button, drop your girl a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends and your friend with me down the street. But most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Alright ladies, here we are with the YouTube shoutouts. If you made it this far to the end of the video, baby, you are the MVP. If you're new to the channel, I've forgotten to mention this a couple of times. This is where I verbally take the time to thank all of you for tuning in. It's a little bit more personalized, you know, kind of a little bit more chatty. First and foremost, look, listen, I'm hyped about these pockets. Y'all don't understand. I went to go get gas in this dress. I put my keys in this dress. I came back to my car in this dress, and I forgot and thought I locked my keys in the car. It wasn't until I thought about the pockets that I said, you have pockets. They're in your dress. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into the shout outs. Big thank you to the new subscribers on the channel. Definitely appreciate it. So if you see your name popping up, boo, definitely appreciate it. Big hug to you for joining the YouTube fam. So big thank you to Miss Starbird73, Rita Cody, Leash Speaks, Natalia 555, Cassie G, Cooking, hosted by Cassie Gainey. Okay, girl, can you make some baked mac and cheese? Holla at me. Yee Liab, Aaron B, Miss Scotch Bonnet, 2AT, and Cynthia Williams Mays. Thank you, ladies, for the support that you are bringing to this channel. Don't be a stranger. Introduce yourself down below. If you do see this YouTube shout out, or you want to be part of the YouTube fam, very simple. Just subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, drop your girl a comment down below. I just said it at the end of the video. It's simple, boo. So thank you, ladies, so much. Big hugs to all of you. Love on yourself. Take care of yourself. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one. I'm tired. Bye.